everybody. Welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. And today we're doing part 3 of Besttoy walking. Oh, duck. You scared me. Yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm going to show them that you glued that snapped piece back.
Yeah. I didn't do that on the camera, but you can see, maybe see where that's busted. It got snapped in half. So glued that together too. Today we got to figure out. Take my phone out of my pocket. Got to figure out why it doesn't move.
I bet it needs a new motor.
I hope not. I hope it's just stuck.
If it needs a new motor, then I hope it's the kind of motors that we have.
Yeah, that's true. That?
Yeah.
Get this to the light. Okay, that's positive. I want to see if any voltage at all
Oh, there's
is
a
getting
chickadee
to the motor.
splashing around in the top water.
Okay.
He's taking a bath.
Yeah.
Oh, bye-bye. He flew up onto the chain and then flew away.
Okay, come here, Eli.
Okay.
I can't see it.
What will I need to do?
I'm going to have you push the button here in a second.
I can just do this as well.
No, just push the button. I need the music to start.
Well, I don't know where the button is.
It's right there by my pinky. Okay, you push it again. So it's getting voltage to the motor. So hopefully the motor is just jammed. Because if not, that's a big one. I don't know if we're going to get it. Let's see if
There's still voltage.
yeah, it's always going to pick up a little bit of something.
There's voltage in the air. I'm excited to say that I might be getting the robot soon. Because it was actually when I was looking up another one of these chunky ones that I have. Is a Hug Fun Christmas dog, which we've done a repair on. The chickadee's back taking a bath on the top water.
Yeah, it spins.
I think it's gross that they drink out of that water and take baths in it.
Yeah.
It's a little bit gross.
I was trying to do something.
You can feel it trying to move.
Yep. Kind of vibrating.
But yeah, I was looking up a video of the dog because we couldn't fix that one. I knew what it was supposed to do, but I just wanted to.
Hit it again. The motor's not going to work. I can feel it. So grab a hold of it.
Oh yeah, it is spinning.
Oh, it's spinning now?
Yeah, it's spinning.
Oh. Well, it was kind of trying to spin. Let me put the thing back on it.
Yeah, see if the, put that on and then put the rubber band on and see if those little things that make the legs move will work.
Yeah, it's spinning that.
Yes,
Maybe it was just jammed up. I was kind of forcing it around.
the belt back on. Oh yeah!
Oh, look at that.
What makes the wings move? Can you see what's moving? Oh, it's those.
Something up here. That's where those attach. Yeah, it must just been jammed up.
Yeah. Well, just judging by how corroded it was, it seems like it hadn't been used for at least probably like 15 years.
Oh, so they do spin.
Yeah, that's why I was saying earlier, do you want me to just pull the neck because I can't find the button?
Alright, so if that's that, now we gotta figure out how to, well, start putting it back together.
Mm-hmm.
Where's...
Well, we put the wings back on.
Yeah. Brush it out. Because it does have a lot of gunk in it.
But yeah.
Sitting for a while.
So anyway, guys, I found a video of it, and in the background of the Christmas shout dog, in the background of the video, I saw the robot, and I asked the person if I could buy it, and they said once they found it, they would let me know about it, and they would list it on Macari. I'm not sure how much it'll be.
Yeah. So there's one leg. This leg has a, oh, I see.
Yeah, it's easy to tell which leg
This one,
it's supposed to be.
this one leg is even more complicated because it's got to go in there.
Oh, that's what makes the wings move?
Must be, yeah. We'll see. We'll try to get it back together as much as we can.
And then
I don't know where the board sat. I don't remember if the board was like mounted. There's no like little slot for it to be mounted to. It's probably just stuck on there somewhere.
you have to make sure wherever it was, it's not like touching a screw or anything.
Mm-hmm.
We could always go back to one of the repairs just to see, just in case, because I don't want to chance shorting it out.
Yeah, that's probably right. Oh yeah, that's probably what that was for. Yeah, it must have been like this.
Right there.
Kind of see how it's going to fit back in. Very loosely, huh? Doesn't like clamping anything. I don't know how. Ah, there we go. Ah, there we go. Yeah, so the board just sits right up there.
It wasn't. Is it touching any like screws or anything?
Oh no.
Okay. And I really don't want this one to mess up.
I don't want any of them to mess up. I wouldn't want that.
I think we would need to get the wings back in there first.
I'm just trying to figure out how it goes together first. It's a little complicated.
Yeah. It's because it needs to be a little bit compact.
Mm-hmm.
Are they moving?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, they're not moving.
No, they weren't. these must come out, because this is for the switch. Guessing that's got to come out probably right there. Trying to see if I can get it to go together even without the arms, just to see how it's supposed to click in. Because the more and more we add into it, the more it's complicated it's going to get. It's kind of going in, but not all the way. There we go. Oh, not quite. Something's not quite.
It must be the board that's in the way or something.
No, the board is nowhere close to it. It's the rest of it.
Oh.
There's a lot of pieces in there. Something on the bottom is catching. You know, because I stretched a lot of it out to get it to come around. Maybe those. Okay. I can't stop it. There. That piece was hanging, pulling on the spring.
Oh. I was like, why won't he stop working?
Okay, so if I got that side in now, so I know that the feet are going to work. The switch still has to come out somewhere. Guessing that seems fairly secured. Alright, so I wonder which arm is which. So it has to go on. Ah, so it goes like this.
Hey, future me, tell me in the comments if this is the last part, okay? Okay.
Yeah, those really barely kind of hook on there, huh? Is that the one I glued? Yeah, let's try this one first. Try the one I didn't glue first. See how hard it is to go in. It's just, there's not much of that little thing sticking out. So how is that supposed to? Oh, is it? No, that can't be it. Oh, that must be where the switch comes out.
He's just a random kid. No good and lonely ragdoll. He's got nothing inside him at the moment.
So that's where that has to go.
Because he's in the middle of surgery.
Now, how to get this thing back on here? Oh my goodness. I might have to take it back out. Yeah. Yep, I did. Yep, so there it went in. And that glue must be a tiny little bit off. Used to these new glasses. There it goes. Yeah. That one pushed way in. Why didn't this one? Oh, there it popped again.
Oh no.
Yeah. Glue didn't hold.
So today will not be the last part then.
Well, it might be the last part, and then, but we just have to glue it. Oh, that's how that goes. Okay, so I figured out that part.
Yeah, but we still won't be done working on it because we'll have to wait until tomorrow night probably, or tomorrow morning. The glue will be done. Because the glue takes forever to dry.
Yeah.
Does it actually take overnight to dry, or does it just take a little bit?
It takes a while. The stuff we got, it pretty much does take overnight. Where's that wire going? Oh, I don't want that like that. Let's get that out of there. That one goes down. Oh, there we go. So that, yeah, it's where to put all these wires, huh? Because you don't want wires in the way. There, got that there, got that there. I'm trying to get all the screw spots down to where they're going to be, where they're supposed to be. There's the switch, got to go out this little spot. The board's going to sit right there. Right there. Of course, these wires did not stay in their hole.
They didn't stay in our hole.
There we go. All right.
I guess we could test it just with that one wing snapped.
Yeah.
Please move. Yay! That wing moved up.
Yeah, a little bit, but it.
Also, it moves faster. It moves faster.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Yeah. So it works. We just got to re-glue that. But now that I know how it goes back together, I can glue it right on that metal piece. So it should be strong enough.
But we're gonna have to wait until tomorrow.
Yep, we will. Unfortunately.
Do we have any other glue that doesn't take 12 hours to dry?
Well, that stuff, it's not that it takes that long to dry. It sticks after not too long. Yeah, well, that's that piece of arm. It doesn't take too long to stick, but if you want it to be able to hold up to the pressure of being able to spin, you need to let it set. Alright, so there's...
Was it really hard to get the skin on? Or get the skin off?
Where's that piece of... Oh, I don't... No, the skin came off pretty easy. Okay, so we got a good bit of space. You could probably, you want to bring the camera and show?
Yeah. Do you want me to grab the whole camera
Probably
thing?
not the
Or
whole thing, we'll just take it out.
take the phone out, make sure it doesn't push the off button because it'll turn the video off.
There, if you want to flip it.
Right
Right
there.
here, that's the piece that's busted. Else works.
Yeah, everything
I just
else
got to
works.
glue that half on it.
Thankfully, the motor was just jammed.
Yeah, it would been sitting for a long time. That's probably all.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get that. I want to make sure that is going to be lined up perfect.
I was thinking it'd be funny if we put a review on it, saying we put new batteries in it and it works great. Or we could just send them a video of it.
Send them a link to the video, probably.
Yeah, we could just send them a video of it working. They'd be like, "It works." Although it did say untested, but you said that they probably,
untested.
but you said they probably knew it didn't work.
Sometimes, yeah. I think people do that sometimes.
They probably
They test them, and then if they don't work, they just say, "Oh, we didn't test it." Because they don't want to say it's broken.
They probably opened
no one's
it.
gonna want to buy it.
They probably opened it up and saw how corroded it was, and they're like, I'm just gonna let whoever buys
Let
it.
them worry about it. Yep.
Yeah.
All right. This is gonna be. I might take them out.
Gonna take him out.
There, at least like this.
Yeah, we could give them a link to the YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
We got this off of Macari.
Yeah. All right.
Can show them that it's in good hands now. And he's all happy and able to sing and dance. Well, he doesn't sing. He just plays music and he dances.
And he clucks if you pull his leg.
He quacks.
Quacks, yeah.
Not clucks. The chicken one is the one that would cluck. There's a chicken version too.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. I'm not sure if there's any of those for sale. I haven't really looked.
I'm trying to think of what's the best way going to be. Probably going to have to try and put a little bit of glue on it. And stick it together, and because it's got to slide into that hole. I'm afraid if I glue it again like this.
And then put it in.
And then tomorrow when we try to put it in the hole, it's just going to break again.
So you're going to try to glue it while it's in there?
Yeah. Try to put it in the hole and glue it.
That won't make it get stuck?
I don't know. I hope not, because that would stink.
Well, it would probably be annoying. I don't know why it would be stinky. I don't know why it would stink.
Because I would light it on fire.
No!
Because I'd be upset. Jerk.
I know.
I was trying to think of what could make it stink.
I still don't think that would stink, though.
Melting plastic would stink, yeah. All right. Let's see if I can. Actually, well, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this little tiny screw out.
Gonna take out the screw.
Because the thing just kind of gets in the way. I don't know if. Oh no!
Get out of the way, Nat.
There, I just.
Bye, bye, Nat.
I can leave the screw on there now. It's just too much stuff in the way with that big arm on it.
Which is really not that big. It's actually pretty thin.
Yeah, but it makes it hard when you're trying to.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell where. So like that. Push it in. I'm doing it with no glue on it, so I can see how it would kind of go in there. It really doesn't want to fit. Oh, it's probably, I know, because I got extra glue on it. So let's make it a little bit too fat.
Is too fat?
Mm-hmm. Because I glued it together.
Oh,
There's
from
a
the
little bit
glue.
a little bit of glue that was.
Yesterday.
Make sure all of that's scraped off. Look through this. Make sure you got no glue on there. Oh, don't do that, Elon.
Oh, sorry.
I'm trying to look through it.
He's taking a nap over there.
Who's taking it out?
That duck.
Oh.
I can't believe how light this big thing is. It's so light.
A tripod. That's what it's called.
Tripod.
Mm-hmm. It's got 3 legs. That's what the tri is.
Oh, I didn't know that. So this one will probably be a shorter part.
Yep, today and tomorrow. There, now it fits together pretty tight. So.
Oh yeah, since we're on video and I'm remembering, tell them how easy you think it's been. Well, actually, just with part 1. Once we were done with part 1 on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the really hard and 1 being super easy.
After part 1, I thought it was probably going to be...
You said a 10 earlier.
Yeah, at least a 9. Because I didn't think I was going to be able to fix it. Because it seemed like it was in such bad shape. Let's just clamp and make it clamp together.
Just had to...
But after part 2, then...
With part 2...
I'd say maybe a 5 now.
A 5?
Yeah.
And what about since part 3?
Probably about... Whoop. Yeah,
is that too strong?
No, it's... can't get all the way.
Oh, yeah.
Can't get far enough on it.
You have the glue on it already?
No. I just want to make sure I'm going to be able to clamp it after I glue it.
That was pretty hard to get it clamped.
Yeah. So you have this probably over here. Sure everything's going to be possible. Doable before we clamp it.
Doable.
Because once I got glue on it, then it's kind of hard to do anything. Yeah, I think it'd probably work like that. I do have smaller clamps that would definitely fit on there better, but oops, sorry.
You smacked them.
The smaller clamp doesn't have as much pressure. And I want to make sure it's squeezing it really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
So I always have to take the cover off the super glue because it glues itself together all the
I can
time.
tell that it's glue, or silicone.
That's super glue. That's Gorilla Glue, super glue.
But it looks like the orange juice.
Mm-hmm.
Like with the blue lid.
Mm-hmm.
Sunny D orange
I wonder
juice.
if I should.
The orange.
Maybe I'll use that.
Gonna use the Sunny D.
Yeah. If I can get it to work, we'll see. See if it squeezes.
Whoa.
Oh, the Gorilla Glue's dried out. You probably throw that one away. I need to buy another one. That stuff's thicker though, so this stuff is really thin. See, and then I put the cap back on it. Why did I do that?
I can tell that that's how you've been opening it because of how banged up the lid is.
Yeah, well, because that's what super glue does. It always glues its cap. It glues its own cap on all the time. All right, so I'll try to let that out just a little bit at a time. I'm just gonna put it on here and I'll let it soak in through that crack.
So I'm a little bit confused because before, when you didn't have the wings on, I could see that that metal thing that you're putting that onto was spinning.
Mm-hmm.
So how does that not just make the wings spin?
Hold on, I'll show you. Let me get this done first.
Okay. Do I need to come to this other side?
No, I'm just gluing this right now.
Can't come super far over. This is cord. I can maybe get a little bit farther.
There we go. All right. So what were you saying?
Because before, when you had those pieces on the wings,
Yeah.
I just saw the thing, the metal peg was just spinning. So how does it make it go up and
so
down?
when the metal peg spins, that circle that I just glued back together, it spins. But see how it's got a screw on one side?
Yeah.
So it's offset, and that screw has a wire in it that's on this. So,
and it goes onto
so that
that.
screw does this. It doesn't just spin. It kind of goes like that.
Oh, and it makes the wing kind of
kind
go.
of like how the feet work. how this thing goes, it's the same type of setup on that.
I see. It was just a little bit confusing to me at first. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, and get it back off. I forgot to put the leg underneath it. Doggone it.
The leg has to go under it?
Yes.
Oh, that's the half that has it connected to the arms, kind of.
Glad I realized it today and not tomorrow. It's still going to be hard to get back on because it's got glue all over it now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it went right back in there. Look at that.
Huh.
Oh, cow.
You noticed that at a good time.
Yep. But I need to put something to keep a little bit of a gap. Well, now I don't know how I'm going to clamp it.
You probably won't be able to clamp it.
I'm not going to be able to, I don't think. Because this leg has to go.
Might just have to maybe use a little bit of tape to kind of hold it together a little bit.
Put that in there to hold the leg part away from it.
Sorry guys about this angle, but when Daddy took out the camera stand, the phone out of the camera earlier, I'm just kind of recording because...
You can come from this way and do it. You'll probably be able to see better.
Well, I was over on this side. Oh yeah, I can go a little bit farther now.
This is the piece we're working on.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to have to use the little tiny clamps.
The little clamps. Q-tips. They're making an X in there. Is that one of them from that? That you're picking up? Is that one of them from that?
Is what one of them from what?
That clamp from one of...
Oh no, it's not from this. Okay, it's a little bit crooked.
Pull out my chair. This is probably more convenient for them. You can probably see it better.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, now it's lined up better anyway.
Yay! Do you think that's it for part 1?
Part 3, you mean?
Part 3, I mean.
Yeah, that clamp's not going to be big enough, I don't think. Yeah, it kind of is. I need to keep this underneath that to make sure that the leg...
Make sure that metal isn't touching the circuit board.
Oh no, it's not.
Okay.
Because I don't want the leg touching that little wheel. Because it'll glue itself together.
Yay! I got the green screwdriver.
That side's definitely good. I just gotta make sure this. See, this thing's wanting to glue itself too.
Green screwdriver.
I guess I should have taken that little tiny screw out, huh?
It's sniffing you guys.
Let's see if I can get it. Where's the... Oh. That's what I was looking for.
Green screwdriver.
I heard you saying it, but I'm trying to focus on what I'm doing. So.
Not sure who that was. It's a big silver truck. You were able to get that with that clamp on there?
Yeah, because I'm afraid it's gonna
Glue the screw.
Well, yeah, I don't. Well, this piece.
Oh, the
Because
metal.
this piece has to be able to turn on that screw.
Here, show 'em.
See?
That's the.
It goes.
It goes on that bump right there.
Yeah, right there.
And it spins on the screw.
Oh, the screw fell down inside there.
Oh no.
That's all right.
Oh no! My egg whacked.
Put it right there. Yeah, because there was a little bit of glue got on that thing. Gluing that.
Yeah, because then the wing still wouldn't be able to move.
Mm-hmm.
And it would actually probably snap the piece again.
It could, yeah.
That glue isn't getting onto the leg though, is it?
No. No, actually the clamp, when I pushed the clamp down, I pushed the leg down.
So it wouldn't do that?
Yeah, so the tips of that little clamp is pushing down on the leg, and then the other part of the clamp is squeezing that little wheel.
We got the Luxo lamp over there, the Pixar lamp.
Yeah, I think that'll work.
I can't see the light bulb in the camera.
Yeah. It's just a glare probably.
It's too bright.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Where's the green screwdriver?
It's right here.
All right, so is that it for
That's going to be it,
today?
unfortunately. But tomorrow, hopefully, all we have to do
Just put it back together, actually.
is, put this little piece on first, and put the arm on, and then put it all back together, screw it together, test it, make sure it works,
And then we can put the skin back on.
and then put the skin back on.
And we still need to clean the inside a little bit. Because there's a little, mainly at the bottom. Because that corrosion got right there. That's all supposed to be white right there.
Well, we probably won't get it white again.
Yeah, but just try to clean it a little bit. Because that's all from the corrosion.
Mm-hmm. We can do that now.
So that way, I can at least touch it without getting corrosion on our hands. I could already...
Where's my toothbrush?
You gonna brush his teeth?
Yeah, most of that's probably just stain.
No, it's probably from the... I'm pretty sure it's from that...
The corrosion?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is, but it's stained. I mean, so it's not like it's...
Oh, so it's not gonna come off. Yeah.
We'll just make sure there's none loose on it. Yeah, that corrosion.
Yeah, just like the loose
The
stuff.
corrosion stained it. Oh yeah, that's good.
And then we need to remember, something we'll need to remember to do, or try to do, is sew that top part back into the head.
Oh yeah.
Because that needs to be sewn in there in order to be able to pull it without having to actually put your finger around that plastic piece inside and then pull up on that.
It was sewn onto this.
Right there?
Right there.
Then where was it sewn on there?
There should be, come down this low with the camera. See the hole? Can you see
Kind of. I can see half of it.
Where do you got the... Oh, you got the cord going all the way there.
Let me see if I can find it. Oh.
There you can see the holes.
There's two holes.
Those two holes. There was just a... See, there's one. There's one hole right there. See it? By my thumb. And there's the other one. So right at the tip of my thumbs, that's the two holes. It was just a piece of thread going through those and through those two holes. So each one had a little stitch in it.
His fur is falling off.
So I should probably do that. So I took the head out first, so we'll do that last. We gotta put the feet in first.
Yeah.
So that would be the last part.
Can you get the white back in? Are we gonna stitch like the little bit of the head that we cut open back up?
Yeah, because I did it on the bottom too.
Oh, you did? Where?
A little bit. a tiny little bit.
Just an itty bitty.
Yeah, just a little bit there.
I didn't even notice that actually.
Anywhere that you
There's a
probably
white truck, too.
you probably wouldn't be able to tell on the bottom.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to tell with the top.
But I'll still restitch it on the bottom so it doesn't pull open.
Yeah.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Part 2. Or
Part 3.
I mean. We will have
Part
part
3.
4.
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, I thought we weren't going to.
But yeah, so bye. That'll be the thumbnail. Green screwdriver.